International warning from VOX, Vatican Observation Exchange, Division of Visual and Acoustic Anomalies. Threat level, code white. This message will not be repeated. If you watched the coronation of Pope Leo XIV and felt an unease you couldn't explain, you were right. He is no longer human. He speaks familiar words. He raises his hands just like his predecessors. But if you slow down the footage, you'll see. He doesn't blink. He doesn't breathe between sentences. And in the blessing shot, there are two shadows, not one. During Mass, birds vanish from the square. Persistent signal noise appears within a 12-kilometer radius, synchronized with his prayers. In one broadcast, he said, "The world is not waiting for a savior. He's already inside. There is no dust on his robes. His face does not age. He smiles when no one is speaking. And sometimes, before you even press play." The Vatican denies everything, but the staff who operated the live feed disappeared that same night. All that remained were the cameras, and in them, he stands, motionless, for 47 straight minutes. Do not look into his eyes through a screen. It is a digital entry point. We were warned in Protocol 39/1. He who sees is overwritten. Do not forward this message to anyone. They track every point of contact. If you've already shown this to someone, they know where you are.